This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the ID of a post or page in WordPress. So there's a couple ways you can do this. If I go into my page right here, you're not going to see an ID up here. But if I go into my inspect tools, so this you can get to this by Control-Shift-I on Chrome. But what I'm going to see here, if I look at my body class, I'm going to see my page ID right here, which is 2366. So that is one way of getting the ID of a post or page, is looking in your inspector tools to see what the page ID is. You can also type this in the, if you do Control F and ask page ID, it will highlight and you can see that that's my page ID. Now, another way you can do this, if I go into a post here, all right, so say I preview this post. If you look up in your URL bar, you can see that I have a post ID of 6398. And this is the number that you're going to want to use if you're pulling an ID for a post or page. Right there. And you can also, again, if you go into Inspector Tools, in my article class, you can see my post ID is 6398. So that is how you get an ID for a post or page. Hope that helps and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.